Asuntoskeuttiö Lahden Vuorelman kulma.
Yes, this is also very interesting today. On the 19th of June 2023 we have something rare here in Lahti. Lahti's Finland. It's on Kirkkokatu. It will be Kirkkokatu in Swedish. 6 tickets C. All the 3 tickets we can get now because they have the same code. We can take 2 rides in them because they are very rare. And this residential building was finished in 2003, so we know that. These arrows are quite unusual.
Yeah.
The interior is quite nice.
It
says, doesn't say when it was, but Omega elevator and Kia is, but that's not Orona, but Orona's buttons.
Yeah.
That's strange.
Yeah.
They imported them. It's gonna be expected the next year, 2024. Maybe this is the beginning of 2003.
Yeah.
Turning 20 years old this year, 2023. Also, this acts as a floor indicator.
Yeah.
Then you can do that on the second ride.
Yeah.
It's thinking like on Hitachi 1980s elevators in Japan. So
Yeah.
there's no dog close button here. Well, so it's Kia Hisitoi.
Yeah.
With these 8 persons, horses is 600 grams, and the cylinder is 3854.
Inspected by device and maintained by Kony.
Yeah, they imported Orona here.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was
Orna,
strange.
I think not, but they used Orna buttons, like some generics used Kony M series buttons.
Yeah. Or novel buttons also.
Yeah.
There's no for 1 here, so it's you and then 2.
Yeah.
Plus exit.
Yeah.
There should have been a logo as well.
Yeah.
That's it. Thanks for watching. Let's go to the staircase as a BNA now.
That's
Come on.